Hey everyone, it's Tammy Lee with Gulf Coast Journeys, and we are at a Sunkissed Escape vacation rental with Beachball Properties, and I wanted to give you a look around. We are on the first floor of this unit. There is a fantastic community pool here and small kids pool, private dock, covered parking underneath the house. We came in the front door. There is the living room to dining room. And a great bedroom down here with so much space. Let's look at the kitchen. I'm gonna spin you around just to give you an idea of the amount of space. There's the front door. So we spin around. Here's the primary on the first floor. This is an elevated house, so there are stairs to get up into this house. Great double sinks, shower, restroom, closet space tucked back here. And this is a Sunkissed Escape. In a second, I will take you up to the second floor. As always, you can use code GOLFJOURNEY to save on your stay with Beachball Properties. Here's the full living room. And now we'll head upstairs. Okay, we just came up to the second floor of Sunkissed Escape, and I want to give you a look around. Really great seating area here. As we come in here, the first upstairs bedroom. Lots of great space. Fantastic ensuite. And as we pan through here, here's the sitting area. There is a day bed here. Books to read at the beach. So we head down this hall. Tub shower combo here. And another bedroom. Ooh, excuse me. Another bedroom here. And this is Sunkissed Escape. I love this. With Beachball Properties, and make sure to use code GOLFJOURNEY to save on your stay.